Take a deep breath. Feel the air move through you. Imagine you are holding a treasure map, not drawn on paper, but etched inside your heart. This map doesn't lead to gold or jewels. It leads to something far more valuable: your joy, your energy, your reason for being. Welcome to our joyful pathways, where you learn and practice metaphysics that sync with universe energies, align to your natal energy blueprint, and improve your wellness. In Japan, they call this map Ikigai. It means your reason for being alive. It is the quiet flame that lights your mornings, the compass that guides your choices, the melody that makes your life feel like music. Think for a moment. What is one thing that makes you smile every day? What makes you move forward? Perhaps it's tending your garden, cooking for your family, mentoring someone at work, or simply walking in the morning sun. That spark, that moment, is a piece of your Ikigai. Your Ikigai is like a recipe, a sacred formula. It blends four ingredients: what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, what you can be rewarded for. When these four overlap, you find the sweet spot, your Ikigai. Imagine baking a cake. If you only add sugar, it's too sweet. If you only add flour, it's dry. But when you mix all the ingredients together in its appropriate proportions, you create something nourishing and whole. That is Ikigai. For example, you may love teaching, you are good at explaining, the world needs wisdom, and you can be paid to share it. That is Ikigai. Or perhaps you love caring for people, you are good at listening, the world needs compassion, and you volunteer. That too is Ikigai. Ikigai is not about chasing success. It is about living with meaning. It is about waking up and knowing why you are here. Jot down one thing that you love, one thing you're good at, one thing the world needs, and one thing they can share. Do these connect and thread together? Now, let us connect Ikigai with the 5 elements: fire, earth, metal, water, and wood. Each element is like a personality, a rhythm of energy. Fire is passion and creativity. Earth is kindness and stability. Metal is discipline and clarity. Water is intuition and flow. Wood is growth and curiosity. When your Ikigai matches your element, you feel balanced, powerful, alive. Think of fire, like the artist painting late into the night, or the leader inspiring a team. Think of earth, the grandmother tending her garden, or the neighbor who always brings food to share. Think of metal, the accountant who brings order, or the craftsman who shapes beauty with precision. Think of water, the poet who listens deeply, or the counselor who guides with empathy. Think of wood, the traveler exploring new lands, or the lifelong learner opening new books, or maybe learning about how to use a new technology like AI. Which element feels most like you? Imagine yourself stepping into that energy, embodying it fully. That is Elemental Ikigai. Life is not just about us. It is about how we fit into the greater whole. The universe is like a vast orchestra, each star a note, each soul an instrument. Ikigai helps you play your part in harmony with the music of existence. When you live your Ikigai, you are not just busy. You are aligned. Your actions feel meaningful, like they are part of something greater. Think of times when everything clicked. The right job, the right people, the right timing. That was Ikigai syncing you with the universe. Close your eyes. Imagine the stars above you. Picture yourself as part of that cosmic dance. Every breath you take is a note in the song of the universe. Every act of kindness is a chord. Every moment of purpose is a melody. This is Ikigai, when your life is in rhythm with the cosmos. Your Ikigai helps you know what makes you unique. It shows you how to use your gifts to help yourself and others. When you follow it, you feel happier, stronger, more fulfilled. Results don't just mean money. They mean pride, connection, growth, and fulfillment. Think of the mentor who guides younger colleagues. The result is not just their success. It is the joy of seeing them thrive. Think of the parent who cooks healthy meals. It is not just the prepared and cooked food. It is the family's health and peace of mind. Think of the volunteer who comforts the lonely. The result is not just service. It is the warmth of human connection. Ikigai is like planting a seed. When you water it with love and action, It grows into a tree that gives shade, fruit, and beauty. Pause and ask yourself, when have you felt most alive, most connected, most proud? That was Ikigai speaking to you. Ikigai is your treasure map, your compass, your dance with the universe. When you discover it, you unlock your energy and purpose. Want to find yours? Take the Elemental Ikigai quiz. It will show you your element and give you a simple practice to realign today. And when you subscribe, you'll join our beta circle, where we explore breathwork, metaphysics, and modern wellness together. Remember, Ikigai is not something outside you. It is already inside you. All you have to do is listen. In Okinawa, elders say their Ikigai keeps them strong and joyful even at 100 years old. Just like them, you can live every day with purpose. So breathe deeply, feel your heart, and step onto your treasure map. Your Ikigai awaits.
I wake with the sun on my skin, a whisper inside, where do I begin? Not chasing gold, not chasing fame, just seeking the fire that calls my name. 5 elements flow through me, fire, earth, metal, water, wood, each one a key, each one a guide to the rhythm of my life inside. I'm finding my Ikigai. This is my Ikigai. This is my Ikigai. This is my Ikigai. This is my Ikigai. I've walked through silence and storm, learned that truth takes many forms. The world needs light, the world needs care, and I've got something rare to share. What I love, what I give, what I'm paid for, how I live, all aligned, all divine in this sacred design. I'm living my Ikigai. With every breath I testify. Not just what I do, but why I breathe, I rise, I fly. This is my Ikigai.